Hello, Marauders, and this is the first of our 3 days that I'll be out. So we have video lessons for everybody. Today we have the quiz, but before we do the quiz, we will do a question that'll help you with everything on the quiz. Let me show you this question. Okay, so there's a quiz today in 2.4 and 2.5, and just a reminder, it's open notes and calculator, but no graphing calculators or phones because that's not fair. And before we do it though, we'll have one review question. It's like a super honors question. And doing that question kind of covers everything you would do on the quiz. After we do the review question, we'll turn our desk and we'll do the quiz. And after that, you can relax. Tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, we'll learn how to do 2.6. Okay, so I'm going to show you the question. Here's the question. So this is a big question. It's like an honors question. It says, find all the roots or zeros of this big question. In fact, let's graph it too. So it's a giant question. And I do give you a hint like, wow, this is an x to the 5. So this guy's got 5 answers. Of course, it could have the same number 5 times. The answers could be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1 or something. The answers could be imaginaries. It could be radicals. So, but I'll give you a hint. Here's one of the factors. X squared minus 2 is a factor. Okay. And so to do this, what else we need to know? Are we, I guess we should divide it, but are we missing any terms? Do you have all the pieces? 5, or you can look. If you're missing something, you need to fill in. And just to let you know, you will need to do long division 1 time, but just once. Okay, so go ahead, copy this down. We're going to do long division, but I will guide you through it. But I am missing something. So as you copy it down, look at what are you missing? 5, 4. Uh-oh, we need 0x cubed, don't we? We got to put that right in there. And then you can keep going from there. And what do we do? Well, we should start dividing. What should we divide by? Oh, look what we got. X squared minus 2. This goes on the outside, doesn't it? Okay, x squared minus 2. But oh no, is this missing something? X squared. Where's the x? I guess we need to put a 0x in there, don't we? And then the minus 2. Okay, I'm going to switch to some paper so we can see this better. Okay, here's me again. The camera. Okay, so here's the question. So first of all, I got, okay, let's rewrite it. Oops, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. 2x to the 5 plus 7x to the 4 and plus 0x cubed minus 18x squared minus 8x plus 8. Okay, and then we're going to do long division. And you might say, well, why can't I use synthetic division? Well, here's what we want to divide by. We want to divide by x squared minus 2. This is what we're going to divide by. But see, what's the 0? Oh, it's actually a radical. I don't want to do synthetic division with the radical. That's too confusing. So we're going to put this on the outside, but also I'm missing the x's. So we're going to put out here x squared plus 0x minus 2. I didn't leave myself much room, but there it is. X squared 0x minus 2, because I need all the parts. X squared, x to the 1, and nothing. Okay, do you think you can divide this? This will go in because somebody told us is 0. In fact, let's start writing the zeros right now. Let me go down here and start writing the zeros. If x squared minus 2 is one of the factors, actually, let's say it's one of the factors they told me. They said this is one of the factors. And if this is one of the factors, there we go, that's one of the factors, right? And if this is a factor, what are the zeros? Let's see. Okay. Let's set it equal to 0. This is a factor. They said this is a free factor. You get that guy for free. Okay, so what makes this 0? Okay, what makes it 0? Oh yeah. Let's move the 2 over. X squared is positive 2. And then what can we do? So we don't have to look at that up there. We can go, okay, that would be, oh, I know. Square root. X is plus or minus radical 2. Okay, let's box this guy up. So guess what? We just got 2 of the zeros, don't we? We need 5 answers. There's 5 zeros. We just got 2 of them. Positive radical 2 and negative radical 2. We only got 3 to go. That's pretty good. Okay, so go ahead and divide this. I'll start you off. Just look at that guy. Look at the first one. X squared times what makes that? How about 2? And x squared, how many more x's? There's 2 here, there's 5 here, so I think I need 3 more. And now go distribute, 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 and write all 3 in. So I'll go 2x, 3 and 2 is 5, or the first guy matches. 2 times 0 is nothing, but you got to put something there. 3 and 1 is 4 for the exponents. 2 times negative 2, negative 4x cubed. You should double check. 2x to the 5, nothing, and negative 4. Now you get to subtract and be careful. I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, and at any time, this video, you can pause it to let yourself do some stuff. Okay, so go ahead and subtract, see what you get. I don't want to do it all. I want to let you guys figure it out. Don't forget the subtract, tricky part. What do you think it is? 2 minus 2 is gone. 7 minus 0 is 7x to the 4th. And careful, here's the tricky part. Minus a minus, 0 minus a minus, you're really going to do add. I know that's the evil part. Some people, like I say, once again, like to come in here and go, okay, I minus that, and then I'll change this to plus. And then they go, okay, it's 0 plus 4. Okay, let's bring down. Minus 18x squared. Okay, and then start over. Put this into here. X squared times what is 7? X squared times what? How about you need 7? And x squared with what makes x to the 4? How about x squared? Shouldn't this be counting down? 3, 2. Now take that. Go distribute, distribute, distribute. Okay, let me let you fill it in and then subtract. Okay, so I'm going to wait a little bit. You guys figure it out. If you need more time, you can ask Mrs. Lee to, hey, can you pause the video if needed? Like if you need more time, if I'm too fast. Okay, I'm going to fill this in. 7x squared, x squared and x squared, 7x4. 7 times 0, 0, be careful, right? 7 times 0, 7 times negative 2, negative 14. The next square, and double check, because one mistake, I'll have to start all over. 7x squared, 7, 2 and 2 is 4, 0, negative 14x squared. Okay, subtract, careful. 7 minus 7, gone. 4 minus 0, gone. Negative 18 minus a minus, right? Minus a minus makes it a plus. So negative 18 plus 14 minus 4x squared. I know that's the toughest part. I know it's tricky. Negative 18 plus now, right? Because it was a minus, so now it's a plus. Okay, let's bring down. Whoops, I got to do this guy too. Sorry, 4 and 0. Okay, 4x cubed. So 7 minus 7 is gone. 4 minus 0 is 4x cubed. Negative 18 plus 14 is that, and it will bring down. Minus 8x. We'll switch colors again. Okay, we're getting there. X squared into this. I know it seems like a lot of work, but don't worry. We only have to do this one time. x squared into 4, x times 1 times 4. In fact, 3, 2, 1. Multiply this one. 4x squared, whoops, cubed, x squared and x, right? 4 times 0, 0 x squared. 4 times negative 2, 4 times negative 2, negative 8x. Okay, once again, subtract. What are you going to get? Be careful. That's not 0. 4, subtract 4 is gone. Negative 4 subtract 0 is negative 4. I'll do it in red. And careful here, negative 8 minus a minus 8. What's going to happen? Negative 8 minus a minus 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay, I know. They're the same, aren't they? So they should be gone. Negative 8 plus 8. And we'll bring down plus 8. Last step. Okay, figure out what goes here. X squared into this. Let's see if you can get it. Let me pause for a moment. X squared times negative 4. How about negative 4? Multiply this 3. Negative 4x squared. This one's going to match. Negative 4 times 0. Negative 4 times negative 2. Negative times negative is positive 8. Hey, the whole thing matches, right? So remember, that's why I see you don't say 16. You got to go, yeah, oh, yeah, we got to subtract. Negative 4 minus a 4, that would be plus, minus, minus. And so now you got 0, 0, 0. Yay! Okay. So we made 0, 0, 0. So what does that tell us? Ah, here's what's left over. So we had one of the factors. We still got this. So I still got 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4x minus 4. This is my other piece. Oh man, now what do I do? So remember we said this was one of the factors. So we solved it and got the zeros. And we got this. And here's the rest of the zeros. Okay, all we gotta do is factor that. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this up a little. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to see the rest of the problem. But if you got stuck, let's say we're here now. So you're like, okay, factor this. Oh, man, what should I do? I know, we'll go like this. We'll do synthetic division now. Okay, we got 2, 7, 4, and negative 4. And well, what do I divide by? Well, let's think about the possible zeros. Let's think of the possible zeros. Okay, it ends in a negative 4, doesn't it? So what numbers can go into negative 4? It could be a 1, could be a 2, could be a 4, and I don't know, they could be positives or negatives, right? So there's my possible zeros. Oh, wait, whoa, there's a number out here too, right? So any of those numbers over the first number, over 1 and 2. So the answers are all somewhere in this list. Could be 1, 2, or 4. Could be 1 over 2, 2 over 1. So what should we start with? I don't know, like say we start with 1. Let's just see if 1 works. We'll bring down the 2 and let's see if it works. 1 times 2, 7 and 2 is 9. 1 times 9, just add these up. Now I can just do the easy stuff. 4 and 9 is 13. 1 and 13, oh, that's not 0, right? So 1's out. So after I tried some more, I tried negative 1. That failed. I tried 2. That failed. Okay, so let's go ahead. What number works? Okay, so I tried a few, and I'm just going to let you know when I got the negative 2, I had success. At negative 2, I had success. Bring down 2. Negative 4, add that up, that's 3. Negative 6, add that up, that's negative 2. Negative times negative is positive, add that up, 0. Yay! Okay, so negative 2 worked. So negative 2 worked. It gave me 0. Right, gave me 0. So negative 2 is a 0. Let's add that to our list over here. X is -2. That's a 0, isn't it? So I only need 2 left. And let's see what we had. We had 3. Now we're at 2. So now we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is 0. So all I got to do is factor this to get the last 2. I got 1, 2, 3 zeros. Here's the last one. We'll factor this. Okay, should be able to factor that. Give you a chance to come up with it. About 2x and x. 2. How about 2 times 1? Plus and minus. So my final 2 zeros are -2. And this guy would be +1 over 2. In fact, they're in my list, aren't they? There's 1 over 2. So here's my last zeros. Oh my God. X equals -2. Oh, I got that guy twice. And x equals 1/2. Okay, so there's my 5 zeros. Yay. If I had to graph it, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you this in Desmos. Okay, so -2, -2, that's twice, plus or minus radical 2. Radical 2 is about 1.4, just to let you know. And here's the graph in Desmos. I typed it all in. Let's check out the crazy look there. It is an x to the 5. So you might notice it has 1. I guess you can't see the mouse. You probably can't see the mouse, but if you count the bumps, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the zeros. I'm gonna highlight those. Okay, 1.4. I'm going out the right. That's radical 2. Here's the 1/2. Here's the negative radical 2. And then here's -2. That was twice. Oh, you see how it bounces off the -2? So right in here, I guess you probably can't see the mouse. I don't know where I'm trying to point, but right in here, go like that. Boom, 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 boom. That one bounces off. There's radical 2. There's the 1/2. There's that one. So there's all 5 zeros. Okay, so that's it. So let's do the quiz. I know there was a lot there, but that covers pretty much everything on the quiz. And good luck, guys. Do the best that you can. Let's turn our desk. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.